welcome back to another video. Larson.
With Killstrike and Weird Ninja Hack Dude. That looks like a terrorist. That's very cool.
Okay, I guess the Nerf war already started, so let's kill some people. Hey, Killstrike, it's not working. Sorry, guys, you can't see him, but that's what Skadooshra looks like.
This is what's neutral.
Oh my God, you missed! We're playing same rules. Sorry that you can't see the stupid action. Get lost, Lord! Shoot him! Sorry that you can't see me, because I'm not going to reveal my face yet. I'll do that in the next video. Bye. Oh, got straight on me. Can you get those bullets if they go? No, go play. Leave this area. Yay! Got it. I almost murdered Jose.
This actually fired 2 at once.
I know.
And I didn't hit it.
And if you're wondering, me and Killstrike are using the same gun. Oh, damn it! Nothing, the camera fell over. Don't. Right in the nuts. I have a headshot. Oh, Larson, you're dead. We killed you. You hit me. Okay, I'm out of ammo, so do go to coffee break, do anything. So we're going to be reloading. I have no clue how to pause a video. So.
You can go grab a coffee while we're reloading.
Yeah.
Y'all grab a nice coffee or a nice...
Okay, so right now...
Y'all grab a nice beer while you're watching.
What the... And right now, I'm going to reveal my face. No, I'm not. Take that. Jose, my bullets are back here.